and welcome to another video where today I'm making this video because I've seen this trending a lot on social media. It's a really good drink that helps you with detoxing and weight loss. So if you have any comments, please feel free to comment in the comment section below. But I'm just going to show you quickly how to make this. It's really not difficult at all. And the ingredients, all you need are 12 ounces of water, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and a dash of cayenne pepper, and that's it. So I'm just going to go through and show you how I do this. This is a really good drink to have first thing in the morning. And then I'm also going to go through and show you and talk to you a bit about the benefits of doing this. So first of all, let's get the lemon juice sorted. So here I have 1 lemon, fingers in, just slice it in half. You just juice 1 lemon because you need 2 tablespoons of water for the 2 tablespoons of lemon juice for this. So I'm going to juice the lemon like that. The lemon juice, and just put that aside for the moment. I've got this glass bottle here, which is what we're going to use today. Move the camera back so you can see a bit better. If you have any comments, please feel free to put a comment in the comment section below, or click the like button if you're liking to watch this and this is going to be helpful for you. So we have our lemon juice and we have cayenne pepper. So the cayenne pepper I'm using today is this one. It's quite a hot one, but you can get different ones, but we're only using a tiny pinch of it, so you don't have to worry about it too much. Right, so first of all, we're going to need 12 ounces of water. So I've got 12 ounces of water here. So we're going to put the 12 ounces into our bottle. So we have our 12 ounces of water. So now we need 2 tablespoons of the lemon juice. So that's 1 tablespoon. Just carefully pour it in. And 2. Just pour that in. So lemon water is always good. Then now what we're going to add is a dash of cayenne pepper. It's a cayenne pepper. If you have any comments, please feel free to comment in the comment section below and click that thumbs up so I know that you're watching. But thank you for watching so far. So a dash of cayenne pepper, just a little bit like that. Yeah, that's plenty. You don't need a lot. So just put in a dash like that. If you're not good at kind of just doing like a dash, put in 1/4 or 1/2 a teaspoon. You can do that. Now, all the measurements and the full recipe is in the description for this video below. And there you go. That's our drink for today. That is our cayenne pepper and lemon. Right, so I'm going to tell you now some of the benefits. So it has really great benefits. So cayenne pepper in itself has been found to improve circulation and boost the entire immune system. So when you combine this, the lemon with the cayenne pepper, it acts as a powerful ally in the fight against bacteria. So this is a very good detox drink. The properties in lemon and cayenne are so strong they can be used as antibacterial cleaners. So if you know you've been eating a whole load of junk recently, or if you've had something and it hasn't quite agreed with you, this is really good for you to drink. So the cayenne pepper can help to increase the production of digestive fluid, and it can send enzymes to the stomach to aid in digestion and provide extra protection to the stomach against infections, which is always a bonus. And based on studies, they've saying that it can help reduce high blood pressure, which also reduces the risk of developing heart disease. So this is not medical advice, but this can help. And what you can do is basically consult your doctor if you have any serious things, but this is basically a natural remedy. So cayenne pepper and lemon drinks have recently been promoted as a type of detox and fat burning drink that can easily be consumed just before breakfast, and it claims to that kickstart your day metabolism to help you lose weight. So if you're wanting to lose weight, this is a good drink to have first thing in the morning. Now, there's no point in having the weight loss drink and then eat down the whole place. You have to have a calorie controlled diet and watch what you're drinking and eating. But if you want to kind of detox, this is a really good drink, and it doesn't taste too bad either. Just sip it really gently, and if it's not your favorite in terms of flavor, the whole idea is to get used to it. So just drink it really slowly and, you know, really get used to it, because it will do you the power of good going forward. It's been trending on social media for it's currently trending on social media, and it's something that's been in social media and highly recommended for people in terms of health. So that's why I thought I'd come on today. If you have any recipes that you would like me to do, please comment in the comment section below. And if you haven't subscribed as yet, please click that red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, because I do videos like this all the time, and lots of really helpful ones that are really great to help you. So it also helps me as well, because if I want to get funding to promote and to also to help fund the production of more videos like this and for the ingredients and so forth, it's really great if you just subscribe. So if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. I would really appreciate that. But this drink, I really recommend you having it first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. This can really help you. Cayenne pepper has been known for years to help with lots of health benefits, and also detoxing. People tend to wait until January to detox. I don't see why you need to wait till January. You really should be detoxing throughout the whole year. So you can do the detoxing, you know, once a week, once a month, but just once a year I don't think is enough. But it's really great for your body. So thank you all so much for watching. I really enjoyed making this for you. And I will be doing loads more live videos again soon. So if you're in the UK, happy bank holiday, and wherever else you are in the world, really great. Thank you for tuning in. See you next time. Bye.